Ready?
Even after an entire winter, Charles's beard is still a hot topic.
At first I thought...
Saturday.
Well, that's not what I was trying to do.
Lost 59-21 at home. But Ben DiNucci saw action in that game for 228 yards passing.
Captain plays catch.
Best chocolate cake blizzard and molten lava cake a la mode.
Welcome to Dairy Queen. How does Pods help remove the stress from storage?
Touches a toy and takes it back so it can be thrown again.
Allie, your turn. It's in her mouth. There it is. She just dropped it. Says, Daddy, it's mine. Other side, baby. Right here. Right here. She is. She's tearing that apart. Gotta find her more like that, Allie.
I've never seen a cat play fetch before.
Okay, she's done. She's done.